Hello friends, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about geometric and organic shapes. So yesterday you watched a video on geometric shapes and you drew your own picture using at least 3 of the geometric shapes. If you do not do that, I will put a link in the description box with the video. So today we're going to be focusing on organic shapes and what an organic shape is. Organic shapes are much more flowy and curvy than geometric shapes. Now, as you can see in this one, organic shapes can have hard points, like our geometric shapes have hard points. But this is still an organic shape because it's not one of these perfect shapes. So geometric shapes are usually very perfect. Organic shapes usually are not like that. And they're called organic because you can usually find them in nature. Geometric shapes are shapes that are made by people, and sometimes you have to use tools to make them. So like for a circle, to draw that perfect circle, I had to use a circle tracer. But for organic shapes, you can just draw however you want to draw them. They just have to be a full shape. So if I drew this, but I didn't make the line connect, that's not going to be a shape, that's just a line. And I'll show you more about that later. Organic shapes can also look kind of like geometric shapes, but not exactly. So this one looks kind of like this circle, but do we see how that little point, that makes it a little bit different. So it's not exactly a circle. This one looks almost like a rectangle, but because I don't have any points on there, and because the lines are different sizes, so right here this line is longer than what this one would be, this is not a geometric shape and it's not a rectangle. Let's name what these shapes are because geometric shapes all have names. So what is this shape? If you said triangle, you are correct. What about this shape? What do we think this one is? This one is a rectangle. What about this shape? What is this shape? This one is the circle. And finally, we have this shape. And that shape is a square. Let's have a little quiz on our organic and geometric shapes to see if we can name them. So let's mix these up. Okay, I am going to pull out a shape and we are going to say if it's organic or geometric. Organic shapes here, my geometric shapes here. This shape is an organic shape. Is this shape an organic or geometric shape? It is geometric. Is this shape an organic or geometric shape? It is also geometric. Is this shape an organic or geometric shape? This is an organic shape. Because remember, even though it looks a little bit like a rectangle, it is not a rectangle. Is this shape an organic or geometric shape? This is a geometric shape. That's a triangle. Is this shape an organic or geometric shape? This one is an organic shape. What about this shape? This one is geometric. That is our rectangle. And our last one, organic or geometric? That is an organic shape, right? So we are going to draw some of our own organic shapes. There are really no rules to drawing organic shapes other than they can't be geometric, right? So if I draw that shape, that's not an organic shape. But if I draw that shape, that is an organic shape because I use lots of smooth, curvy lines. I don't have any sharp edges there. What about this? Is that an organic shape? No, it is not. It is not a shape because there's nothing connecting it. So actually, this is just a line. So I'm going to make it into a shape just like that. Now it's an organic shape. So we can mix organic and geometric shapes. So I'm going to use the circle and that is a geometric shape. And then I'm gonna put some hills and things around it. And that kind of looks like a flower. So these are all organic shapes with my geometric shape in the middle. So it doesn't really matter what they look like. You want lots of curvy lines and you want them to all touch. Okay, so one end touches the other end, just like that. Look at all those different organic shapes. So you're going to draw your own picture using organic shapes. You need to draw at least 5 organic shapes. So you could use any materials. You could just draw with a pencil. You could use crayons, markers, colored pencils. So get creative, make some shapes. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.